Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum Review, a game changer in smart cleaning. In the ever-evolving world of smart home devices, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum has emerged as a standout product, combining cutting-edge technology with practical functionality. As someone who has tested numerous robot vacuums over the years, I can confidently say that the Shark AI Ultra is a game changer. With its advanced AI navigation, powerful suction, and seamless voice control integration, this device has redefined what I expect from a robot vacuum. Here's a detailed review of its features, performance, and overall value. Design and build quality. The Shark AI Ultra boasts a sleek, modern design that fits seamlessly into any home decor. Its low-profile build allows it to glide effortlessly under furniture, ensuring no area is left untouched. The vacuum is constructed with high-quality materials, giving it a durable and premium feel. The dustbin is easy to remove and clean, and the overall design is intuitive, making maintenance a breeze. One of the standout design features is the inclusion of a self-cleaning brush roll, which prevents hair wrap, a common issue for pet owners or those with long hair. This thoughtful addition saves time and effort, ensuring the vacuum remains efficient over time. Performance and cleaning power. When it comes to cleaning performance, the Shark AI Ultra delivers in spades. Equipped with powerful suction and a multi-surface brush roll, it effortlessly tackles dirt, debris, and pet hair on carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles. The vacuum's AI-powered navigation system ensures thorough coverage, mapping out your home and avoiding obstacles with precision. The Shark AI Ultra also features matrix clean navigation, which uses a grid-like pattern to clean every inch of your floors. This method is far more efficient than the random cleaning patterns used by older models, ensuring no spot is missed. Additionally, the vacuum's XL HEPA filter captures and traps 99.97% of dust and allergens, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers. Voice control and smart features. One of the most impressive aspects of the Shark AI Ultra is its seamless integration with voice control systems like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. With simple voice commands, you can start, stop, or schedule cleaning sessions without lifting a finger. This feature is incredibly convenient, especially for busy households. The Shark Clean app further enhances the user experience, allowing you to control the vacuum remotely, set cleaning schedules, and monitor its progress. The app is user-friendly and provides real-time updates, making it easy to manage your cleaning tasks from anywhere. Self-emptying base. The Shark AI Ultra comes with a self-emptying base that can hold up to 30 days of dirt and debris. This feature is a game changer, eliminating the need to empty the dustbin after every cleaning session. The base is compact and stylish, blending seamlessly into your home while providing unmatched convenience. Battery life and charging. With a runtime of up to 120 minutes on a single charge, the Shark AI Ultra can handle large homes with ease. When the battery runs low, the vacuum automatically returns to its base to recharge and resumes cleaning where it left off. This ensures uninterrupted cleaning without any manual intervention. Pros and cons. Pros: powerful suction and multi-surface cleaning capabilities. Advanced AI navigation for thorough and efficient cleaning. Self-cleaning brush roll prevents hair wrap. Voice control compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant. Self-emptying base for hands-free maintenance. XL HEPA filter for improved air quality. Long battery life with automatic recharging. Cons: the self-emptying base can be noisy during operation. Higher price point compared to basic robot vacuums. May struggle with very thick carpets or high-pile rugs. Final verdict. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum is a top-tier cleaning solution that combines advanced technology with practical features. Its powerful performance, intelligent navigation, and hands-free convenience make it an excellent investment for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. While it comes with a higher price tag, the time and effort it saves are well worth the cost. Whether you're a busy professional, a pet owner, or someone who simply values a clean home, the Shark AI Ultra is a reliable and efficient choice. It's not just a robot vacuum, it's a smart home essential that delivers on its promises. If you're in the market for a high-performance robot vacuum, the Shark AI Ultra should be at the top of your list.